and simple.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a good day.
You too. Plain and simple.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
I have.
Pork belly
Awesome, thank you.
and loaded lumpia. Have you had it before?
Huh?
Have you had it before?
Oh, yes, I have.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
I always loved it, so it's great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Bye. Sleep at 6.
6? Oh,
Yes.
I can do that.
So when you're waking up, I'm going to sleep.
Napasaya yung ilalim, kaya pinover ko. And guys, dito na naman sa Jan. Tatlong
Okay.
regular lumpia. Thank you. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. Bye. Ready now.
Nila rolling lumpia bento. Naubusan tayo ng bento box. And pancit.
Hey, thank you po.
And syempre may cantaloupe juice.
Salamat po.
Bigay ko rin sa iyo yung card ko. Realtor din ako. Baka
thank you.
magbebenta ka or bibili ng bahay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy, ah. Punta ka sa ano sa Saturday.
Apo.
Sa PhilAm.
Apo, punta pa.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Here is your lumpia sampler.
Thank you. We didn't pay yet.
Yeah, it's free for the first customer.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
so much.
Ayan guys, free for our first customer of the day. Lumpia
Thank you.
sampler. Thank you guys.
Have a good
Enjoy.
one. Thank you.
Well, it's
Ayan guys, si Chili. Balik din na naman ng lumpia guys. Ayan. Hi Chili. Say hi. Ganda na mo yung pansit mo, girl.
Yeah.
I'm not stingy, guys.
How many dynamite?
Happy Friday mga ka-rollings! Ayan guys, nakaubos tayo ng 24 pounds na pork belly adobo in 2 hours. Buti na lang mga ka-rollings, available si Chili mag-work dahil ang haba ng ating pila kanina. Thank you all for watching and please don't forget to follow and share. Enjoy! Pwede ba mag-isa na? Sa gitna. Yung sa gitna para ma-feel yung ano. Yan.
Hi there, how are y'all? Sure, we got you.
Happy Monday mga ka-rollings! Andito nga tayo sa commissary at nagro-roll tayo ng lumpia. So guys, meron tayong event this weekend at syempre, pupunta rin tayo sa loob ng base for our lunch service. Meron tayong follower na nagtatanong kung ilang beses daw sa isang linggo tayo nagro-roll ng lumpia at kung ilang piraso ang ating naro-roll. Twice a week lang tayo nagbabalot ng lumpia mga ka-rollings kapag regular lunch setup lang tayo for the week. And 3 times a week naman kapag meron tayong mga malalaking events. At yan na nga mga ka-rollings, ilang piraso daw na lumpia yung nagagawa natin per week. Again, depende rin yan kung gaanong kalaki ang ating schedule or ang ating mga events. Pag regular lunch setup lang mga ka-rollings, gumagawa lang tayo ng around 1,200 pieces ng lumpia. And kung big events naman on weekends, gumagawa tayo ng 3,000. Hey mga ka-rollings, ayan meron tayong order ng dalawang loaded lumpia. Ayan guys, ang ating loaded lumpia. So meron niyang nacho cheese, sour cream, candy bacon, fresh jalapenos, and green onions. And we sell it for $12. So mga ka-rollings, naubusan tayo ng ating bowl. Kaya ayan, nilagay na lang natin dito sa isang to-go box yung ating pork belly adobo. Parang mas gusto ko tong plating na to mga ka-rollings. Parang mas maganda siya. What do you think guys? This box or the bowl? Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Box or bowl? Discover natin na pwede pala natin ilagay yung ating green onions dito sa ating juice cup na may butas guys. And then instead of kinakamay natin siya or gumagamit pa tayo ng tong, ganito na lang guys. Madali, diba? So ayan guys, yung ating rolling lumpia bento. Ayan guys, $16 mga ka-rollings. How are you? and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. Today guys, ay mag-mix tayo ng lumpia. Meron tayo ditong 6 pounds ng ground pork today. And ayan guys, makikita nyo meron tayong carrots, cabbage, eggs, onion, garlic, mozzarella and parmesan cheese, and syempre salt and pepper. And ayan guys, ang ginagamit natin na lumpia wrapper, mga karolings. Nabibili nito sa mga Oriental stores or Asian stores. Ayan guys.
Don't just sell out of the pork belly?
Huh?
Don't just sold out of the pork belly just now? See, it's taped up, so.
I might still have a couple.
Take it off already.
I mean, I already.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, gusto kayo ko. Salamat kayo.
Ayan, i-ano mo yung shoutout mo yung mga fans mo kasi may mga fans ka eh.
Hi Mom, I hope you see this. Thank you, Tita.
Thank you. Johnny, punta kayo sa Saturday, merong fill-out event.
Asa?
Jacksonville Commons.
Jacksonville Commons?
Yeah.
Sige, thank you.
Check out the Rolling Lumpia page, andun yung address.
Sige, thank you.
Thank you, Joy! Hey mga ka-Rollings, we figured out something. Ayan guys, alam niyo naman na lagi tayong gumagamit ng green onions, diba? So, ang ginagawa natin dito is either kinakamay natin siya or ginagamitan natin siya ng tong. So, ayan guys, naisip ko lang na ilagay dito. And then, meron siyang butas. So, para hindi ko na siya kakamayin mga ka-Rollings, ayan, i-shake na lang natin siyang ganyan, o diba? So, mas madali pa. And then, no touch pa siya mga ka-Rollings. Yan, o. Yan, gayahin nyo na rin mga ka-Rollings. Meron mo ng pinak mo, tapos dami ko na. Show me one. Love you. Love you. If I get bored, just help. Are we gonna do a beach resort? We're gonna plan tonight. That would be nice. That's early. That's Chili's plate. And this is my plate. Kuya, ano to? Beef caldereta. So, ayan guys, meron silang tilapia. May chicken tinola, beef caldereta, tiempo. Ayan yung mga gulay guys. Soup, the chicken soup.